Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to introduce you to something so amazing. This is the Keto Low Carb Healing Porridge. And when I say the word healing, I truly mean that. It heals you in mind, body and soul. There is so many amazing ingredients in this that I was down with cramps for the last 2-3 days in my legs. I literally had one bowl of this and they vanished in about 45 minutes. I've got a batch here and I urge you to make this porridge whenever you get the keto flu or low carb low or anything like that. It is brilliant and this is truly a healing porridge. So here I have it right now. I want to show you. It's a thick, yummy porridge. So here's my taste test. I make this very often, so I do know it tastes yummilicious. Amazing. I'm going to put down in the comments all the ingredients that go down in this and all the health benefits that go along with it. So we're standing in my kitchen. So as always, let's begin with the recipe. You begin with 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. I would urge you to make this with ghee. It gives it a very nice caramel flavor. Next, we have shelled hemp seeds, 3 tablespoons of it. Don't worry about the quantities. The hemp seeds have to be more than the other 2 ingredients. So I've put in 3 dessert spoons of hemp seeds, and now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal. Not the seeds, the meal. If you have the seeds, please feel free to put them in the coffee grinder and make them into a meal. Next, we have chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. So 3 tablespoons, the most should be the shelled hemp seeds. After that, 1 each tablespoon of flaxseed meal and chia seeds. You begin to give this a nice mix. Remember, you've put in ghee, so it's going to start toasting, cooking, whatever you want to call it, but it gives it an amazing flavor. I'm adding just a wee bit more of ghee because ghee also has a lot of healing properties. Of course, we know that hemp seeds are the highest in omega-3 and 4. Flaxseed and chia seeds are also very high. They're also very high in magnesium and potassium. Okay, next I've put in 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. So if you don't want to use coconut cream, you want to use normal cream, dairy cream, please feel free to put 2 heaping tablespoons of heavy cream. I've used coconut cream. I thought I'll make this even dairy free. I've added a little bit of water after that, and now I'm putting in some truvia packets. Feel free to adjust the sweetness. I'm putting 3-4 packets. You can even put the sweetener later after it's cooked if you think it's a little bland. But I think 3 to 4 packets of a sweetener will do well. Feel free to use any sweetener of your choice. Now I'm putting in some cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder has amazing healing benefits. It even drops your blood sugar levels and stabilizes it, and that's what is very necessary in our low carb keto way of eating. Can you see how it's beautifully thickening up? Okay, the last 2 are full pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. You do know that these have amazing health benefits too. Look it up on the internet. You put the whole seeds in and you give it a little more of a mix. I'm getting a splash more of water. Never be worried about the water because the chia seeds thicken and the flaxseed help in thickening the mixture time and again. I made a nice big portion and I'm going to eat this. I had it last night and I'm going to eat it again. So now that's it. It takes all of these 3-4 minutes and you're ready with the most healing porridge in the low carb and keto way of eating, as well as even if you're not on low carb. So here we have it. It's amazing. I'm going to give it a last sprinkling of cinnamon powder on top. You can even use nutmeg. And as always, do subscribe and join me on Instagram for the written recipes. It's at recipes low carb keto. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye then.